Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about AIMS June PG 2020 exam MCQs. This is part second. Part 1 I already discussed. Let's discuss part second. For making vaccine of SARS-CoV-2, which level of protection should be there in lab? Biosafety level 3, that is BSL 3 level. Okay. Vitamin deficiency cause neonatal seizure is vitamin deficiency which causes neonatal seizure is pyridoxine B6. All are true for WHO grading of severe acute malnutrition except 100 times. They like to ask this MCQ so many times previously. Very easy. So weight for age is not a criteria for acute severe malnutrition. Chronic alcoholic drink 2 bottles whiskey daily, not consuming last 2 days. OPD symptoms anxiety, hypertension, seeing snakes, no seizure. Treatment is by IV lorazepam with thiamine. IV lorazepam, no haloperidol here because this is a case of delirium due to alcohol, hallucinations. So never treat with antipsychotic. Haloperidol, treat with IV lorazepam. Drug of choice for hairy cell leukemia is cladribine, and in case of relapse of cladribine treatment, hairy cell leukemia relapse, treatment by rituximab. Okay. Now, most specific test of carpal tunnel syndrome, that is carpal compression test. Pacemaker disposed in which bag? In blue bag. Pacemaker is a metallic, we should dispose in blue bag. Not included in MELD score. MELD is model of end stage liver disease. Not included albumin, but it includes serum creatinine, bilirubin, etc. Measures used against COVID-19 except we are not going to use 1% glutaraldehyde. Glutaraldehyde used to sterilize the scopes, surgical scopes or instruments, and also used to treatment of warts. Wrong about ABCD2 score is age less than 60 years. In ABCD2 score, age more than 60 or equal to 60. So this is the answer. So guys, if you like this video, put like on it, and if you're new on my channel, please subscribe it. And if you want AIMS PG more MCQs discussion, more parts, so please write in a comment box and I'm going to put more MCQs we are going to discuss. I'm just performing here one liners. See, one liners in 2020 AIMS also they are asking these, just a one liner. Thank you, good day, goodbye. That's all for today. Okay, goodbye.